Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar, and we're going to be combining current news with technical chart analysis to give you a comprehensive picture of where this market might be heading. Let's begin with the news, and right now, the euro is being buoyed by the weakening US dollar, and investors are increasing their long positions on the euro, which is a good sign for the euro's strength. The Eurozone economy, however, is showing signs of slow recovery, which could affect the euro's long-term trajectory. Furthermore, the European Central Bank's recent rate cuts, while intended to stimulate growth, also suggest a declining path for borrowing costs. Traders are keeping an eye on the upcoming Fed announcement next week, as it could further impact the US dollar's strength and influence the EURUSD pair. Now, let's move to the charts to see if they're telling us a similar story. On the one-day chart, we can see that EURUSD has been experiencing an overall upward trend for the past few months, with several significant highs and lows forming along the way. A couple of weeks ago, the market experienced a sharp decline, briefly breaking below the 1.1000 level, but rebounded quickly. This could be interpreted as a test of the support level, which was successfully defended by buyers. If we look at the current daily candle, it's trading near the open, indicating a possible consolidation phase. This might suggest that the market is seeking direction, but the overall bullish sentiment remains intact. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we see that the sharp decline we mentioned on the daily chart is evident here as well. The market dropped from around 1.1150 to 1.1050 in a matter of hours, signaling strong selling pressure. However, we can see a clear reversal happening after the price reached the 1.1050 level. Buyers stepped in aggressively, pushing the price back up to the 1.1100 level, suggesting strong support at that area. This suggests a possible battle between bulls and bears, but for now, the bulls seem to be gaining the upper hand. Now, let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart. This time frame will give us a more granular view of the recent volatility and potential trading opportunities. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see a strong bullish trend, with the price moving consistently higher in the last few sessions. The market seems to be consolidating around the 1.1050 level, but the recent bullish momentum suggests that further upside potential could be in the cards. We can also see that the market is experiencing a high level of volatility in this time frame, with frequent price swings. This can provide opportunities for short-term traders looking to capitalize on these fluctuations. Traders should be careful of the potential for sudden price reversals, especially around resistance levels. Based on our analysis, EURUSD is currently in a bullish trend, supported by a weakening US dollar and increased euro long positions. However, the Eurozone's slow economic recovery is a factor that could impact the euro's long-term performance. The recent rate cuts by the ECB also need to be considered, as they suggest a potential for lower borrowing costs in the Eurozone. Technical analysis reveals that the 1.1050 level is a significant support area for EURUSD, as it successfully repelled a recent downward move. The 1-hour chart shows a clear reversal at that level, suggesting that buyers are in control. The 15-minute chart reflects a bullish trend, with the price consolidating around the 1.1050 level and showing potential for further upside. However, the market is volatile in this time frame, presenting opportunities for short-term traders. Key price levels to watch include the 1.1000 support level, the 1.1050 support level, and the 1.1100 resistance level. A breakout above 1.1100 could signal a continuation of the upward trend, with potential targets at 1.1150 and 1.1200. However, a break below 1.1000 could weaken the bullish sentiment and lead to a potential pullback to the 1.0950 level. Overall, the EURUSD pair appears to be in a bullish trend, with support from recent news and technical analysis. However, traders should be aware of the potential for volatility and closely monitor economic developments, especially the upcoming Fed announcement. Keep an eye on the key price levels we've discussed and watch for potential breakouts or breakdowns. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into other important factors influencing the EURUSD market. Remember, trading involves risks, so always practice responsible risk management and do your own research before making any trading decisions.